So,
Hey, what's up, Roger? Hope I see you soon. Other than MySpace, yo, we got it. What's up with you, man? You don't call nobody.
You're in
hope all
Florida.
is well. That's right, I'm in Florida. His little Playboy clips, that's what he's up to.
so how was quality time with your father?
It was good. I had a lot of good time bullshitting him all day.
And what did you do?
We was in the stores, shopping, looking. I was like, oh, Dad, let's go here. Wait, you know what I need? I forgot.
So he obviously knew something was up,
Oh,
right?
he knew something was up, yeah. I was stalling like OD. Like,
When you said we gotta go buy some prophylactics over here,
What do you say? He had to go back home and watch TV?
I should have. Nah, he was like, what time can we go back? I was like, whenever you want.
Okay, he said he was surprised, so...
Yeah, we think he was surprised.
Yeah.
He looks kind of in shock.
He walked in mad worried, like, what's going on? I try to keep it
He's
not
worried the house is
suspicious.
gonna burn down.
Yeah, probably.
Roger, we miss you.
I miss you, Roger.
All right, good job, Randy.
A lot of food.
Later.
Later.